G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, unit number 2, 196 Cypress Street in the beachside suburb of Urangan. As usual, bit to take in, let's go take a look around. This home really is the ultimate low maintenance beach house, literally less than a few hundred metres from our beautiful, sheltered, north-facing esplanade and beach. This fully renovated townhouse, built around 1970, has been completely transformed into a chic beach house with the original beautiful hardwood floors across the ground floor and high rake ceilings leading upstairs, adding to the sense of space. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to swim along the beautiful protected beach positioned between two rock groins, or take a relaxing stroll along the beautiful esplanade and foreshore, where you've got a selection of cafes and restaurants to enjoy while taking in the wonderful outlook across Hervey Bay. Upon entering, you will immediately note the great storage space and home office with split system air conditioning, which will be perfect for anyone working from home or wanting to run a small home business. Stepping into the main living area, you have those soaring high rake ceilings that lead upstairs, adding to that sense of space, coupled with large windows that allow natural light and the prevailing sea breezes to fill the home. You also have a ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The stylish modern kitchen with an open plan dining area to the side does form the heart of the home and features generous preparation bench and storage space, as well as a pantry. Quality appliances include an induction hot plate with a range hood, an oven, and you've got 2 dishwasher drawers completing this entertainer's delight. Stepping outside, you have that fantastic covered north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds overlooking the private fully fenced courtyard, which will be ideal for those with a furry family member as well. This is the perfect space to enjoy your morning cuppa and a cool beverage of an afternoon while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home features 3 spacious bedrooms, all located upstairs away from the main entertaining zone. 2 include a ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The main bedroom features a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, and a built-in wardrobe. The lavish bathroom features floor-to-ceiling tiles, a large floating vanity, and a shower, and you've also got a separate powder room and toilet. The laundry is located on the ground floor, off to the side of the outdoor entertaining area, and you've got an outdoor shower and separate toilet as well. Perfect for when you get home from the beach or when entertaining. Vehicle accommodation is provided by a tandem length garage with a workshop room to the rear, offering covered access to the home via that outdoor entertaining area. The energy conscious will appreciate the 6.6 kilowatt solar power system, and astute investors will know that Hervey Bay remains one of the fastest growing regions in Queensland, with a tight rental vacancy rate of less than 1%, making this home a sound investment opportunity, and it would also make a perfect Airbnb as well. Homes offering these features in this location are rare and always in high demand. So don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.